Hey Glam Ghouls, welcome back. So first and foremost, I want to say thank you so much to everybody for all your comments and support and just understanding with me. Most of you know that I was really sick this past week. I was tested for COVID last weekend and I do not have COVID, but I have just been really sick and very tired and just like not capable of doing this or even putting out content for Instagram, which was really sad because it's spooky season and it's frustrating to not feel at my best and not be able to give you all the most spooky content that I had planned for those days, but I'm trying to have grace with myself and know that it's okay that I didn't put out those videos or those pictures, and you all have been so kind and been really just awesome about, you know, messaging me and telling me to feel better and to take care of myself. So thank you so much. That really, it means the world to me, and I am feeling better. I'm definitely not 100% yet, but I do feel like I'm on the upswing, hopefully. So by the next week we'll be in full swing back in spooky mode. And I do have every intention of going back to regular filming schedule and putting out content on Monday of this coming week. So hopefully I feel good this weekend and I feel like I can get all that done. But I didn't want to miss the opportunity to put something out this week, and I am feeling a little bit better today, so I thought I would just do something really casual and relaxed and just sit here and talk to you all. And I have a video that I've been needing to do, and I really appreciate this company for being patient with me through this sick time and just the wait for me to do this video. But I have gotten another package from Lipstick and Chrome. If you all don't already know, I've worked with them several times. So Lipstick and Chrome is a brooch company, and they're my favorite brooch company, and not just because they have been so kind to me, but they put out really quality pieces. And so many of you were interested or really excited about my brooches in my wardrobe tour, and lots of you even said like you don't normally wear brooches or really care about brooches, but you thought the ones I had were really cool and unique, and they definitely are. I love my brooch collection, but a lot of my stuff is from Lipstick and Chrome, and I love them for a lot of reasons. Number one, I think that everything they put out is really high quality, and the designs are super unique and just really fun and like things I never see anywhere else. I see a lot of like mimicry a lot of times in the community where like if something worked really well for one company, they'll like kind of adapt it, someone else will adapt it to kind of their style. And Lipstick and Chrome's ideas are always super original. I've never seen anything like it literally everything they do is so fun. I also love them because the women who own the company are super badass and awesome, beautiful, smart, talented women who are so creative and kind, and they've been really good to me even back when they sent me my first package with them back last Christmas, when I think I had maybe 400 subscribers on YouTube, and I just hit 1,000 Instagram followers, so I didn't really have anything to offer them. They just believed in me and liked me as a person, and they were so generous and kind with me. So I just love working with them. They're awesome. But if you watched my last video with them where they sent me the circus collection, you'll remember at the end of that video, I mentioned that they were going to be doing a collaboration for Halloween with one of my absolute favorite artists, Johanna Parker. If you're a Halloween queen, you know Johanna Parker and her designs, J Parker Designs on Instagram. If you don't know her, go check her out. She's awesome. But they announced quite a while ago that they would be doing a brooch collab with Johanna Parker, and I could not wait to see it because I love both of them so much. I love Lipstick and Chrome and I love Johanna Parker, so like you absolutely can't go wrong with either of those things. So they were so kind and they sent me the collab with Johanna Parker, and I have had it for a little bit and just have not been able to film, so I'm so excited. I'm just gonna unbox this and show you all the pieces today. And you should absolutely go check out this collaboration and all their collaborations. They've got some really cool pieces of their own, just of lipstick and chrome, that's out for Halloween right now. They have this cute little Bride of Frankenstein, Frankenbabe pin, and a little Frankenweenie, like a little dog with a bone in its mouth at a gravestone. And they're also putting out a line, also in collaboration with Johanna Parker, that is called Christmasween or something, Hallowmas, Christmasween, I think. Anyway, they're spooky Christmas pieces, and you know your girl's gonna get some of those because I love spooky Christmas. So they've got this little thing that they put in your package to tell you who packed your parcel, and Amber packed my parcel this time. Thank you, Amber. And this is, it has their little emblem for Quirks down at the bottom there, which is their actual shop. So Lipstick and Chrome is their brooch company, but they own a little boutique called Kinks and Quirks, which you can find online, and they're a really cool shop that stocks different artists and things, so you can find really cool home decor and gifts if you're looking for a really cool gift for the spooky person in your life. That's a great place to start. So as always, they've been the cutest and gone above and beyond with their packing, and there's a little Halloween sweetie bag in here. And it looks like we've got trick-or-treat candy. We've got like gummy bears and nerds and Laffy Taffy and a sucker and sweet tarts and a cute little Halloween pencil with little, like, is it gonna focus on that? Let me put my hand up. Little ghosties with like lollipop balloons and party hats. That's so cute. That's such a fun little addition. Thank you, Kendra and Amber and everybody. This is so fun. I need a little candy. What is this? Trick or treat, smell my feet. There's a little sticker booklet in here with some cute little stickeries. Oh, an owl. Y'all know I love owls. See these? Oh, cool. I'm gonna wait though. I'm gonna wait to show you. This is something very cool, but I'm gonna wait to show you until after I've shown you the brooches because I want them to be a surprise. This is something else I love about them. They're just always like so extra thoughtful, and they just send me the nicest stuff. Gummy bears are my favorite. I love gummy candy. I'm gonna eat some gummy bears. Oh my god. I'm cured. I'm not sick anymore. I've had gummy bears. Oh, so good. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this pair because you've already seen me wear them a bunch on Instagram, and they were in that wardrobe haul video because I couldn't wait to wear them. I love them so much. First of all, look how cute these little boxes are. They've got a window so you can see your little brooch, which you've seen this one, but we'll look at it again. And they're polka dot on the back. They say Lipstick and Chrome, Johanna Parker, which is really nice. I love boxes for my brooches. I store all my brooches in their original boxes, and I love these because you can see what's inside, because most of the brooch companies, it's just a solid top box. And when you have 20 billion brooches, you have to like go through trying to figure out what's what. So I love these because you can see what you're looking at. So this is the little bat on the pumpkin, which is so cute. Honestly, one of my favorite pieces in this line. I've been wearing this pretty nonstop. I think it's just quintessential Johanna Parker, I think. And then of course, again, you've seen me wear this with the 2 bats and 1 pumpkin, and it is so cute. And actually, I'm gonna put it on right now. I'm usually not a necklace person. I don't like the way having something just like laying on my skin feels, but this one is so nice, and like it's the perfect shape. It just lays well. I never like feel it, like it never bothers me. And just just looks so stinking cute paired with its little sister here. So there is what those two look like. They are so cute. Seriously, just love them so much. All right, so the next one, this is, I know I said this is quintessential Johanna Parker, but this is what I think of when I think of Johanna Parker. It is this adorable little kitty cat sitting on a pumpkin with his little jack-o'-lantern lollipop. And he's wearing a little party hat and a ruff. And this cat face is just like quintessential Johanna. But I think that I love, like, Lipstick and Chrome did such a good job collabing with her. The lollipop has a little bit of glitter to it, and then the cat is in this really pretty marbled resin, and the ruff on the cat has like a little spider web print on it. It's just very detailed and really, really well done. I am not much of a cat person myself. I don't wear a lot of cat themed pieces, but I would wear the heck out of this because I think it's awesome. I also liked that they didn't shy away from the traditional orange and black in this line, because I know a lot of lines, you know, they want to do something new and different and like traditional Halloween, which can be really fun. But I just was really happy to just see some like good old-fashioned orange and black vintage Halloween. Now this guy is the other favorite of mine from this line, and when you see it you're gonna laugh because you've watched my decor hauls most likely. So this guy is a little ghosty. Let's put him on something darker so you can really see the detail. It's a little ghosty, really pretty marble resin with pink cheeks and a bow tie. And he's in this sweet little jack-o'-lantern with gold glitter resin in the eyes. So it looks like the jack-o'-lantern is lighting up. You can really see the back of it is done in that gold glitter resin. It's really very attractive. But I always love too, my other favorite thing about Lipstick and Chrome is how big their pieces are. It's always just a really nice large piece, statement piece, and I like my brooches to be seen from space. So I really, really love this. And if you'll remember, I got a decoration that looked like this for Halloween this year, and I said, I love it because it looks like Johanna Parker. And then lo and behold, Johanna Parker. So yes, I love him. He's my other favorite besides these two in the collection. I just think he's so cute and precious. And I love, let's see, come here. When you put light behind him, the cauldron like glows because the resin's like see-through. It's so cool. Oh my gosh, I just noticed this box has like Halloween confetti in the bottom of it. I'm still cleaning confetti up in my studio from the last unboxing. I really sent it on that. Okay, I know I keep saying each piece is my favorite, but she's so good too. This whole collection was perfect, but this is the last piece, and it is this little witch. And as you can see, the detail on her is absolutely amazing. She's got all these little swirls built in. The resin on her is like this really, really beautiful kind of, not even marbled, it's like a tortoise shell. I don't know if you can really see that, but it's so, so pretty. Her little green face and her pink cheeks and her little vintage style rolls hair flying on her broom. She is just so stinking cute. And she's big too. I mean, they're all big pieces. But I love a big piece because you can really see the detail in it. There she is. Let me get a close up. There she is on Look how pretty that skirt resin is. And her little feet with her little striped tights. I'm just obsessed. So the reason I held off showing you that thing that was in the trick-or-treat bag at the top of the video is because they sent me 2 really nice die-cut stickers of the witch and the cat design, which is so cute. I have a little glass top on my vanity, and I put all kinds of vintage and pinup stickers and art and stuff under there for me to look at while I'm doing my makeup. So I'm definitely gonna add these under my glass top, and I know I need to show you all a tour of the studio as soon as it's done. We've kind of been chatting about that in the last video, but my friend Bethany's gonna help me get this all finished up before Halloween, so hopefully I can show you a full tour of this space because it's gonna be really cool. Anyway, that is it for the Lipstick and Chrome Johanna Parker collaboration collection. I think these pieces are absolutely stunning. I'm going to be wearing them year round because I love them so much. I think the detail and like very clearly the hard work that was put into each and every one of these pieces and the care and attention is just perfect. Like they're absolutely perfect, and I really hope you all enjoy them as much as I am enjoying them. Thank you again to Kendra and everyone at Lipstick and Chrome for continuing to partner with me. I really appreciate it, and I love representing your brand and wearing your pieces. I think they're just the most stunning brooches on earth. I know that their boutique brand did just start up a social network, so you can sign up to get their text messages and receive 15% off. So if you're wanting to order some brooches from them, I would recommend doing that so you can get a little discount. If you do purchase any of their pieces, definitely tag me over on Instagram so I can see. They also have their Halloween line from last year still available, and that's what that Witch Martini brooch is from that I wore in one of my, I think it was the Bath & Body Works haul. I wore that, and that's one of my favorite pieces. They just have so many super cool things, and like I said, they are doing that Christmas Halloween Johanna Parker collab as well, and I believe those are on pre-order now, so take a look at those and get yourself some spooky Christmas while you're there. Thank you all so much for watching today, and again, thank you for your just continued understanding and support and kind comments and everything, wishing me well and getting better. I appreciate it so much, and like I said, we'll return to our normal schedule next week, and I actually have a very cool collab project coming next week, so I hope you'll stay tuned. Over on Instagram, specifically at Midge Munster, is where that'll be dropping mid next week, so keep an eye for that. And of course, if you haven't already, do go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more spooky content. Thank you all so much, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Until then, keep it campy, kooky, glamorous, and spooky. Bye!
Criminals come out to social.